Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update number 2. I think it's update number 2 for the Budget Beauty Project Pan. This is a PANtastic Ladies collabs. This was created by Anneliese. She is going to be listed down in the description box along with all the other amazing ladies that have joined in. This is the second year we are doing Budget Beauties, and it is all about budget-friendly drugstore products. Any beauty products, doesn't have to be just makeup, and it's just 4 to 6 products that are budget friendly. This started on October 17th and it goes all the way to January 17th, and I have some empties this time and I'm very excited about that. Let me show you what they are. This was very hair care heavy for me because, you know, I have so many projects going on. Some have a lot of makeup, some have a lot of skincare, hair care, whatever. This one was a lot of hair care, and all 3 of my empties are hair care. The first 2 are the exact same thing. This is the Finesse, what is this? The Keratin treatment, the deep conditioning, and it is coconut, creamy coconut scent is what it says. I really enjoy these. These were sent to me, I believe, through Influencer. They sent me 3 or 4 of these, plus the shampoo. The shampoo is long gone. These were my last 2 of the foil packets. I think these are really good. I have crazy thick dry hair. It is wavy and coarse, which of course it's straightened out right now, and this is like 4th or 5th day hair. But it really does make your hair feel soft and conditioned. And I would totally buy these again. I want to say these are maybe $2.99. Let me check my thing. Oh, these are only $1.99. And it is 1.76 ounces. When my hair was just a little bit shorter, I would get like 4 to 5 treatments out of this, and I got 3 treatments plus a little bit extra out of this, and I think it's worth it. For $1.99 to do a nice deep conditioning treatment, totally worth it. And I also finished this Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with Coconut Extract. There wasn't enough in here to do my whole head. I actually used a little bit of this with it since there was a little bit of the Finesse left. So I don't know if I really liked this product or I liked it because it had some of the Finesse in it. So I'm not really sure. I wish I could give you a better description, but there just wasn't quite enough in here. All right, that is everything for my empties. Let me show you what I still have in this project. The first one is the Suave Volumizing Mousse, and I had to weigh this one. I used quite a bit. It was 226 grams last update, and now it is 161 grams. So I used quite a bit in the past month. We had a lot of rainy days, and I don't fight my texture when it's really humid out because I live in a very humid area. I don't fight it. So I go curly, and I use the mousse when my hair is like wavy curly. I also have these 2 Garnier Fructis hair masks, and I have a feeling I will probably have to put a little bit of something else with these just because it's not quite enough. With my hair being a little bit longer now, it requires just a little bit more. So I have those 2. I also have the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This was brand new, and now I am at this red line right here. I do not think that I can finish this by the finale next month, but, you know, I'm just going to keep using it. I enjoy it, and I'll just keep using that. And the last one I can't show you any progress on. This is the Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Mascara in the pink. This is one that my friend Amanda really, really likes a lot, and I don't feel the same way about it. I find that I definitely need 2 coats for this one to get the coverage that I like, and that to me is inconvenient. I'm definitely a 1 coat kind of girl if I can get away with it. And I find this one flakes on me. It didn't the first 2 weeks, but then in the past week or so, it has definitely started to flake on me. And I don't know if it's because I have to do 2 coats that it, you know, kind of compromises the seal on it. I don't really know. I don't love it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it, and I probably would not repurchase that one. I don't know that this one is going to be done by the update or finale either. But I have finished, let me see, how many products have I finished? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. This was supposed to be 4 to 6 products. I have a lot extra in because I had a lot of these foil type things. So as long as I can finish at least 1 more product, I'm going to be content that I have met the requirements for the 4 to 6 products. I mean, technically I already have with 5, but you know, I would like to do 6 if I can. I'm pretty sure that these 2 hair masks will be done by then. The mascara probably not, and the setting spray probably not. The jury is still out on this one. It is possible because I know of the 161 grams, some of that is packaging. So, I mean, there still sounds like there's a lot in there, but I don't know. I use a lot of mousse on my hair because I have so much hair, but I just don't know if I can finish it by then. But I feel pretty good about this project. I feel like even if I don't finish everything, that I have really done what I needed to do with this project. I really hope that Floralisa is going to allow us to put this in the group again next year. This is one of those that I would like to see back on a regular basis. So Floralisa, if you're watching, and I know you probably will be okay with this, let's bring this back to PANtastic Ladies again next year. Anyway, just go check out everyone down in the description box. If you are into budget-friendly products, you might find something as a dupe for what you already have just based on someone else's project. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.